Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Spyderco Spydiechef. This is a really cool knife, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So overall length is 7.78 inches, blade length is 3.32 inches, and it is made with LC200 N steel. Now we did a rust test using this steel as well as H1 and some other steels. I'll link to it here right about there. And really highly corrosion resistant knife, super cool. Frame lock on this guy, and the handle length is 4.46 inches. Now they are made of titanium, and you've got pocket clip for tip up right or left carry, and 3.78 ounces for the weight. Now for size comparison, I'm not going to do a size comparison. I'm going to show you the knife that we put in Great Salt Lake water for just under 3 weeks. Now if you look really closely on this blade, just right about there, you can see a tiny bit of corrosion. Honestly, I'm not even sure if that's from the blade or from the hardware. The hardware was the only thing on this knife that really rusted at all. You know, I can't recommend that you keep any of your knives in Great Salt Lake water. It is probably the most corrosive water on Earth, at least one of the most corrosive bodies of water on Earth. So for this blade to have survived and look this good afterwards, that's pretty miraculous, guys. I love this knife. I think you'll love it too. Guys, go ahead and buy it at bladehq.com. It's the Spyderco Spydiechef.